Everett Abrams back again with part 2 of the Cedar deck restoration, the old Cedar deck restoration. We're going to do some restoration repairs. One of the things that a lot of people don't look at, and if you have a low deck, it's kind of hard to get underneath, but when you have an elevated deck, one of the things you want to look at underneath is cleaning the underside. Because if you have mold, mildew, and algae underneath, it's going to get to the top a lot easier. And if you look at this one's really bad. And if you look, follow me, there's a lot of algae. We got mold up here. When we come and look up underneath the deck, we want to see all the stuff that's hanging. You get a closer look of this. If you can see all of the stuff that's hanging, which is old stain, debris, and so forth that was on the top of the deck. So all this wants to come off. We want to clean the underside. That'll help the stain last longer on the top. But again, if you can see over here, we got a lot of green mold. We got a lot of algae growing up underneath here. It's also underneath on the planks. It's very important to get rid of that stuff as well. Now, while we'll come over here real quick, on some of the repairs, these are sitting on 4x4 posts. If you were to build a deck today, you'd probably use 6x6 posts. But one of the things they don't have is any hurricane straps, which I referenced in part 1 of this series. We're going to put hurricane straps on the beams to the 4x4 posts. So we're replacing some boards, we're going to fix the gate, we're going to clean the underside, we're going to shore this up a little bit, and we're going to get this thing to hopefully where it's, it's not a brand new deck. A new deck is only new one time. But we're going to get this to where they're going to be very comfortable on this deck, and it's going to be amazing at the end. I can't wait till we end this series and you can really see what this is going to look like. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Thank you for watching part 2 of this series.